Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about the Dollar General clearance event, of course. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and it is absolutely free. And if you like these videos and you want to see more, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up button and leaving a comment down in the comment section below. Now, up first, for those of you who are just now joining us, we do have a Dollar General clearance event coming up this weekend. It's going to start on Friday, February the 28th and run through Sunday, March the 2nd. I have already uploaded tons and tons of videos. We've went over seasonal categories, coupon matchups, food items, all kinds of goodies. So I did create a Dollar General clearance event playlist specifically for the February 2025 clearance event. So if you're looking for more info, that would be a good place to check. I will have that playlist linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, now in today's video, we are going to be talking about a lot of P&G brand products. Right now on our accounts, we have a spend 30, save 10. That means when you spend $30, you're going to get a $10 coupon back on your account. This coupon can be very confusing to use. So number one, it is a DG store coupon, so it will not stack and work with other DG store coupons, except for the 5 off 25 on Saturdays. So I hope to have that video up for you guys later today or at the very latest first thing tomorrow morning, so stick around and stay tuned for that. But as far as using it on Friday during the clearance event on P&G brand products, you're going to want to make sure that you scan to make sure that digital coupon does attach, because this coupon does not work with all P&G brand items. And also, you're going to want to go by the clearance price, not the regular price. Now, it is possible this coupon can glitch. We have seen that before during a clearance event, but if it happens, we'll cross that road when we get there. All right, now let's talk about laundry products that will be included. We have 2 of the Tide Simply Pods. We also have 1 of the Gain Flings and 1 of the Extra Liquid Laundry Detergents. Now, these are the 4 new laundry products included in this clearance event. And here I'm showing you some Tide, Arm & Hammer, Purex, and All laundry detergents. Now, these were included in our last clearance event at select stores. So these will not be included at all stores, but I wanted to go ahead and give you guys the UPCs just in case. Now, since the last video, I did receive a few pictures along with some questions about laundry products that will or will not be included in this clearance event. There's a lot of confusion out there. The main thing is to keep in mind that some stores will be manually marking things down at the register. They do not have to do that. That is up to the manager whether or not they want to manually mark things down or not. That's why I always tell you guys, scan, scan, scan before you go up to the register, because if you have your correct store location set, whatever the price shows up in the app is more than likely what it's going to be at the register. So starting Friday morning on February the 28th, all of the items that I'm showing you guys in these videos should scan and ring up at an additional 50% off. Now, I also wanted to make sure you guys were aware we still have the instant savings on our Colgate and Ajax products, which we have both in today's video, so you can definitely stack up those savings with the clearance event prices. And check this out, Finish dishwasher tablets for super cheap. I am so excited about this, especially the 28 count. If you still have that buy one get one free digital coupon, you're paying $5.40 for 2. All right, now we're going to move on into our dental products that will be included in this clearance event. Again, these are all brand new items, new to this clearance event. Keep in mind, we do have the Fixodent, Oral-B, and Crest products. Those all work with that P&G coupon. Now, like I said, it's not 100% with those P&G coupons. There's always some exclusions, so always scan to double check and make sure that coupon shows up underneath the product. But we do have a lot of P&G brand products that are working with that coupon included in this clearance event, so it shouldn't be too hard to mix and match and hit that $30 threshold. Now, while we're taking a look at these items, let me know, what have you guys been up to down in the comment section below? Have you been scoping out your stores? What are your stores looking like? Do you think this is going to be a good clearance event for you? Let me know all of the things down in the comment section below. Now, here in just a second, we're going to take a look at all of the new Colgate products that will be included in this clearance event. We do have that awesome 4-off-2 digital coupon, so that will give you some overages if you're at an old register store. And we went over all of that info in the 2025 clearance event prediction video that I put out a couple of weeks ago, so if you missed that, definitely go back and check it out. All right, guys, now we're going to move on into our razor category, and I'm really excited about this one as well because we have some awesome high-value 3-off-1 digital coupons on our Schick products. So we have quite a few really awesome deals. Now, we also have a high-value 3-off-1 digital coupon for our Bic razors, but unfortunately, that coupon is not attaching to any of the razors that are on clearance. I was actually afraid that they might have pulled that coupon when I was putting these slides together, but no, it's still there. It's just not attaching to any of these Bic razors. But that's okay. They're still super, super cheap and still some fantastic deals. Now, while we're taking a look at these razor deals, I do want to let you guys know that I will have at least 2 more videos coming at you to get you ready for this clearance event. This week has been a crazy, crazy busy week, but I do have another video about halfway done. I just have to put on the finishing touches, so make sure that you stick around and stay tuned for that. I will try to have that one up by lunchtime today. And then, of course, before you head out on Friday morning, make sure that you check back with the Craz-E Coupons YouTube channel for any updates and new deals. Now, to wrap up this video, I wanted to go ahead and let you know we do have 4 new Lego sets included in this clearance event. We're going to have the Lego Chicken Hen House. Here we have the Lego Friends Cat Playground Adventure set. And then we also have the Lego Disney Elsa's Frozen Treats set. And last but certainly not least, we have the Lego Disney Princess Belle Storytime Horse Carriage set. And speaking of toys, don't forget we're going to have the Blue and Yellow Star toys on sale for 50% off of the regular price during this clearance event. All right, Craz-E crew, that's going to be it for me for now, but you guys know the drill. Stick around and stay tuned because I'll have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon.